So it's 28 days to Model Expo, right?
Yep.
Counting from today.
Yep.
And I'm still working on my Panda 3. I finished assembling. But I just forgot to bring that to the show. Sorry. Yeah.
I've been building as well.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Carl was worried because I'm catching up.
Yeah. He just off from his holiday. Yeah.
Off from the holiday and straight back to trying to beat you at everything. I look more tan than you, don't I?
And except for the tanks, I also want to do some like anime related stuff. So I would say I never touched the 30-minute sister. The only anime figures I did is the Figure Rise Standard, another series.
Yes.
Yeah, from Bandai. So this would be the first time I tried the 30-minute sisters.
I do have one question with that.
Yeah.
The Figure Rise stand, they don't have as many upgrade sets as say these do, like optional parts, right?
Yes.
So if you're getting into Figure Rise stand, you're pretty much buying the character.
Yes.
And that's like you know exactly what you're going to get and what you'll be stuck with.
Yes.
Whereas something like this, what you're going to show us in a minute is how much you can upgrade it.
Yes.
The different sets, and you're going to do it in a weird way, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
Unconventional, not weird, unconventional way.
Yes.
Not to spoil anything, but you keep going. You keep going.
Okay. So the Alka-Carti is one of the most of the 30-minute sister characters are original. Like they're not from any of the anime. They're just created by the character designers or illustrators. Yeah. So this kit, she has 3 different forms.
Oh, we don't know how she identifies, or we don't. Do you know? I haven't talked to her.
Yeah. So here you can see she has the normal form.
Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit.
Yeah. Not safe for work.
Oh,
I'm joking.
No, you're not. You're never joking. It's all backwards. I'm gonna have to read it. Action. Lights, camera, action. Oh, we do want to look at it this way.
Yeah. So that's the normal mode. And you have the crown-shaped armors, and you can even attach the knives.
Her vital organs are so exposed. For like, what do you need armor for if your stomach is so is so shown? You know, like you don't have much defense back here. You know, that's alright. It's all fun.
Yeah. And also the guns. And I would say most of the 30-minute sisters are like the close range weapons. So this one is sort of special because she has guns.
Right.
Yeah.
Wow. So she can blast you away if you're bad.
And also, if you notice, there's a booster at the back of her waist. And this booster can transform to a claw.
A claw?
No, it's like feet, extra like horse.
Oh, like a feet pack or something.
Yeah, sort of. Yeah. If you see, it's like it stands here.
Oh, like it's like a I see, like a horse and man type thing.
Yeah, sort of. Yeah.
Oh, and it's also good for balance if you don't have a stand, right?
But this kit also comes with a stand.
Oh, it comes with a stand. Okay.
There's only 2 kits from this series have a stand. And this is one of them.
There you go.
Yeah.
Wow. So you're really like this is one of their best kits, you're saying?
Yeah. So it's a very good starting point if you never touch any 30-minute sister series. Because considering the complexity and how it looks like at the final outcome. Yeah.
Wow.
And
yeah, you get that ready. I'm going to quickly just go through this. Oh, okay. So this side's in color. So this is for the face.
Yeah.
Which doesn't matter because Carl will talk us through that anyway. Parts breakdown. Don't need to paint it. You'll be
all set.
You'll be devil's judge advocate to that in a minute.
Yeah.
Then we have some more. These are two other options?
Yeah.
Can you use parts from this one for her?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's what they're saying. You can mix and match.
Oh, also, not only from 30-minute sisters, you can also switch the parts from 30-minute missions and 30-minute fantasy, and even the high-grade gunflies.
Wow, okay.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah.
You just have to be clever as Kawa, and then you can. Otherwise, you won't.